Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I've got this Union ceiling fan. I got this from another collector for $55 along with another Union 1200mm as well. The other one has a gold band around the motor though, which is cool. There's the information on their sticker. I don't have it connected to its original controller currently, which is over here, but the Crompton grease has been taken down because I was going to put this over there, but it's very heavy, like too heavy, so I'm not going to do that now. Alright, so it's just on this Evergo controller at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on, shall we? Low. This thing probably will need a new capacitor. It's only slightly on its way out, but it's still pretty fast. The speed's a little bit fast, but that's okay. Evergo controller does work fine on it. See, I got this along with a bunch of more fans. Another Crompton grease is going back up there, or a Wattmaster, same as this. I'm not sure, I haven't decided. Hey, the Union's pretty good. This is my first curved bladed one, so I haven't actually had a curved bladed one before. Speeds are a little fast. Speed 2. I don't mind where the DMC was. I did just remove it temporarily because I wanted it in my room instead, because the other one I had in my room, the motor started just stuff. It made weird noises. This does make some weird noises too, but I think it's vibrational. Alright, then we're going to go straight to high. I do like that noise it makes, but I don't know what it is. Blows pretty good air. Yeah, it's probably just like a screw or a washer or something. There you have it. I'm not going to slow speed down because it does take a little while. Thanks for watching.